back at the show again this year, and she's waiting on me. I'm just saying we're going to watch some of the off-roading.
Yeah.
Which I'm too chicken to do.
Yeah, you are.
Oh, get on there.
Oh, yeah.
What do you think?
Oh, yeah. Look, I can put my feet down and everything.
Oh, Jesus Christ. I mean, it's not bad, but
Can your feet touch the ground?
it's a wee bit too much to not my comfort.
What about the tank? Are you
So
hugging
in the
it?
Kawasaki UK stand,
really.
we're always doing public service announcements as well, and this is one
Probably a wee
for
bit longer
Aaron
hours,
Gamble.
but-
Yeah.
Aaron Gamble, if you're on the stand, could you make your way to the club entrance at the bottom of the stairs, please? Aaron Gamble.
I want that
if you're
one.
on the Kawasaki
The racing
UK
team.
stand, they're in the area. Please can you make
What?
26 grand. That could be my wedding present.
Okay. There's a GoPro stand.
What?
Film the GoPro scan with a GoPro. Still can't take the batteries home though. Oh, we'll go over to Fanick. I like that.
Well, what's it feel like?
Yes, yes, please. What? How much is it?
It's 100. Oh, it's only 6,849. Is it these tires you like?
Yeah. I like something because it's not all plastic.
Yeah.
If I did fall on it off road, I'm not going to be crying my eyes out at the end of the day. Plus, you can turn the ABS on and off.
Don't think I'll be getting on this bike though.
No, you'd have one too.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna film you getting on one of these. It's
This will be fun.
girlfriend or fiance tries dirt bike.
Yeah, let's see if Beyonce can get her leg over. We're gonna see how close my feet are to the ground.
Yeah. Need some Gary Glitter boots on. Is it a monkey bike that you want?
No, but just look at it.
Ass backers for a monkey bike. It's like, it's all great when you can just go yeet. So I could drive to work like this every day. Quick blurt down to the shop.
It's actually quite comfortable. How's that feel?
Well, I can put my foot on the ground.
Yeah, put your both feet down at the same time.
That's not the bottom. As long as I can get one down, I'm pretty happy with that, like. But and then you have a button for you have actually a button to turn your ABS on and off. He needs to really let me have a go. It's not. Oh, we definitely have to change the boots because the boots come up here.
It's a bit bulky at the front.
Yeah.
It's a bit like chunky at the front.
They're like a giant slug. Electric shock. Yeah.
We went to that. When we touched this, we didn't come on this way. Where's that?
So that was just a bit of a highlight into mine and Lisa's visit over to Motorcycle Live 2023. You know, it is about this big in the scale of things, but this is the sort of stuff that I like to do. I want to be starting to use this a lot more. I want to start using everything to my fullest capabilities. So like, comment, and if you haven't already, subscribe. Gonna try out more stuff like this soon. And yeah, leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think of the video, and we'll see you soon.